how to use prompts in Sora AI for beginners. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that, we will simply go to our browser. If you are using mobile, go to Google Chrome. If you are using the tab Symphony, go to your browser. We will simply click on browser. Here you guys can search for Sora. So you search for Sora. Once you search for Sora AI, you need to go. Once you search for Sora AI, here you guys will see that type of interface. Now here you guys will see plus icon on downside. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, here you guys will see describe your video. So here you guys will simply paste your prompt. And after that, you guys will click on top right corner arrow option. So simply click once you on that. Once you click on that, now you will get back. Now after that, you guys will click on profile pic. Once you click on profile here, you guys will see drafts. So in draft color, your video donation will be started there out in queue. And once it's ready, we simply click on the video. And after that, you can watch it or download it. So there's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.